Manifestation. Decoding financial fortunes. Question: do you believe that your thoughts have the power to shape your financial reality? Let us know in the comment section below. In this exploration, we embark on a quest to unravel the secrets of financial success. Picture this as your personalized roadmap to decipher the language of wealth and prosperity. Number 1. A positive money mindset. Foundation to true success. Instead of dwelling on scarcity or limitations, focus on abundance. Train your mind to view setbacks as opportunities for growth. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and attract prosperity. By adopting a positive money mindset, you create a mental environment conducive to financial abundance and success. Recognize that your thoughts shape your reality, and each positive thought serves as a building block for a prosperous future. 2. Reflect on your values. Aligning your financial goals with your core values is a strategic approach to long-term success. Take a moment for introspection. Identify what truly matters to you. When financial aspirations resonate with your values, you establish a powerful connection that fuels motivation. This alignment ensures that the pursuit of financial goals is not just about reaching milestones, but maintaining a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Consider how your financial decisions align with your values, and let this alignment guide your choices for a more meaningful and satisfying journey. 3. Daily visualization. The practice of daily visualization is a potent tool in manifesting financial success. Dedicate a few minutes each day to vividly imagine achieving your goals. Picture the details, the emotions, the surroundings, and the experiences associated with your success. This routine not only reinforces your commitment but also programs your subconscious mind, making your financial goals a tangible and achievable reality. Understand that visualization isn't just wishful thinking. It's a proactive step in creating a mental blueprint that guides your actions toward financial prosperity. 4. Gratitude journaling. Cultivating gratitude through journaling can significantly impact your well-being. Regularly acknowledge and document the positive aspects of your current situation. This practice shifts your focus from what may be lacking to what you already have, attracting more positivity. Gratitude journaling is a simple yet powerful habit that contributes to a mindset of abundance and contentment. Reflect on how gratitude extends beyond material wealth, influencing your overall outlook and contributing to a more balanced and harmonious financial life. 5. Explore multiple income streams. Enhancing manifestation involves exploring various income streams beyond your primary source. Consider engaging in side hustles, investing, or creating passive income. Whether it's freelancing, starting a small business, or investing in assets, diversifying your income sources provides stability and opens doors to new opportunities. This strategic approach not only increases your earning potential but also adds layers of resilience to your overall portfolio. Recognize that the world of multiple income streams is dynamic, and staying adaptable to emerging opportunities is key to sustained financial growth. Looking for financial enlightenment? Look no further than BraylNavy.com. Subscribe today and take control of your finances. Join the journey to financial success. 6. Connect with like-minded people. Surrounding yourself with those who have the same interest is a powerful strategy in your manifestation journey. Seek out those who share similar aspirations and values. Engage in discussions, exchange ideas, and leverage the collective knowledge of your network. Understanding that shared experiences and insights can propel your financial growth. Actively nurture relationships with those who inspire and support your goals. 7. Automate savings and investments. Streamline your path to financial success by automating your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to a savings and investment accounts, ensuring a consistent and disciplined approach to building wealth. Embrace the power of compounding as your money grows systematically over time. Automating transfers streamlines your financial routine for long-term goal alignment. 8. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledging and celebrating financial milestones, both big and small, is crucial for maintaining motivation on your manifestation journey. Take the time to reflect on achievements, whether it's reaching a savings target, paying off a debt, or achieving a specific investment milestone. Recognizing your progress reinforces a positive mindset and provides the encouragement needed to stay committed to your goals. 9. Take calculated risks. Embrace the idea that calculated risks are integral to financial growth. Be open to opportunities that align with your goals, even if they require stepping out of your comfort zone. Understand that not every risk will result in immediate success, but each calculated step contributes to your overall financial learning and evolution. Balancing risk with careful consideration can lead to breakthroughs and propel you towards achieving wealth aspirations. 10. Build a support system. Cultivating a robust support system is essential for navigating the complexities of financial endeavors. Surround yourself with friends and family who understand your financial goals and can offer encouragement and advice when needed. Share your successes and challenges, leveraging the collective wisdom of your support network. A reliable support system offers emotional backing and valuable perspectives for a well-informed wealth path. 11. Navigating prosperity pathways. Selecting your wealth-building lane is about finding the route that aligns with your money goals, promising a faster journey to success. Actively seek opportunities that connect with your objectives, allowing you to navigate a pathway tailored to your preferences. Regularly reassess and adapt your plan as circumstances evolve, maintaining flexibility to respond to changes. This iterative process ensures your chosen wealth-building lane stays aligned with your goals, optimizing your chances for financial success. As you actively pursue opportunities, consider how each step contributes to your overall progress. Stay attuned to emerging possibilities and be willing to adjust your course when needed. Embrace a mindset of continuous improvement, understanding that refining your approach is key. Stay engaged and focused on your path for effective navigation of prosperity, reaching those wealth goals. Through manifestation, decoding financial fortunes, take a moment to appreciate the strides you've made in shaping your financial destiny. Crafted with you in mind, it's a dynamic journey seeking not just stability, but true prosperity. By defining your values and embracing a positive money mindset, you've laid the foundation for a resilient future. Remember, continuous growth and adaptation are the essence of this exploration. With financial plans and a supportive network, the power to manifest your fortunes is in your hands. The wealth landscape may evolve, but your newfound knowledge and skills position you as the architect of your wealth. Whether in real estate, entrepreneurship, or ongoing learning, the key is to stay agile, informed, and true to your aspirations. Manifestation is not just a guide. It's a companion on your ongoing quest for fulfillment. Keep refining your strategies, stay attuned to your evolving goals, and most importantly, savor the journey. As you navigate the intricate tapestry of wealth, may you continue to unlock new chapters of abundance, prosperity, and personal achievement.